Unlock a world of secure and anonymous online shopping with this ultimate guide to using your Paysafe card. First things first, let's talk about acquiring your Paysafe card. You can easily purchase them in cash from a vast network of retail locations. Think convenience stores, supermarkets, and dedicated online resellers. Look for the familiar Paysafe logo at the point of sale or search for authorized online vendors. Now, how do you put that powerful Paysafe card to use? When you're ready to make an online purchase, proceed to the checkout page of your chosen website. Look for the payment options, and you'll see Paysafe card listed. Select Paysafe card, and you'll be prompted to enter the 16-digit PIN found on your card. Simply type it into the designated field. No need to share any bank account or credit card details, keeping your financial information completely private. The beauty of Paysafe card is its wide acceptance. You can use it on countless websites, from online gaming and entertainment platforms to shopping sites and digital service providers. If you see the Paysafe option, you're good to go. The advantages are clear: enhanced security by not sharing sensitive financial data, complete anonymity for your transactions, and the simplicity of paying with cash upfront. It's the perfect solution for budget-conscious shoppers and those who prioritize privacy online. Experience the freedom of secure and anonymous online spending today.